Hi guys, my name is Nirali Nagar. Currently, I'm working in Mifi Solutions Private Limited as a business analyst in digital marketing. I've done my digital marketing training from HTL Infotech. It's such a great institute for taking training from. The environment, the work culture is really great, and I really enjoyed and learned very much in this time span. If I talk about the trainer, then I'd like to give my big thanks to Yogesh sir, because without his guidance, it would not have been possible to gain such a great job. And the way he teaches us, the way he supports is really incredible. So I'd like to thanks to Yogesh sir as well as entire team to HTL Infotech for maintaining such good environment of studies. Thank you so much.